Greetings, health enthusiasts around the world. Welcome to the VitalGlow Life channel. Today, we're diving into the world of melasma, understanding it and exploring home remedies and foods that can combat it. Melasma, a skin condition that presents in the form of brown or grayish patches, often gracing the skin of the face. While it may appear to simply be a cosmetic concern, it goes deeper than that. Melasma can be a marker of hormonal changes, sun damage, or even stress. It's crucial to address it not just for aesthetic reasons, but for overall well-being too. Now, there are numerous medical treatments out there for melasma, but today, we're going to take a different route. We're going to delve into the world of home remedies and dietary changes. We're going to explore how nature and what we put into our bodies can help us battle this persistent skin condition. Ready to explore these natural remedies and foods? Buckle up and let's embark on this journey together. First up on our list are home remedies. These are simple, cost-effective solutions you can try right from the comfort of your home. Let's dive into the world of natural remedies, starting with lemon juice. Known for its bleaching properties, lemon juice can help lighten the dark spots caused by melasma. All you need to do is squeeze fresh lemon juice, apply it to the affected areas, and leave it on for about 10 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Remember though, lemon juice can make your skin photosensitive, so always apply sunscreen before stepping out. Next up, we have apple cider vinegar. Rich in acetic acid, it can peel off the outer layer of your skin, reducing the appearance of melasma over time. To use this remedy, mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water, apply it to the affected areas, and wash it off after about 10 minutes. Moving on to turmeric, a spice well regarded for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also contains curcumin, which inhibits the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for the dark patches of melasma. A simple turmeric mask can be made by mixing turmeric powder and milk to make a paste, which you can then apply to your face and rinse off after about 20 minutes. Finally, we have aloe vera, a plant known for its healing properties. It contains aloin, a natural depigmenting compound that can help lighten skin. Simply apply fresh aloe vera gel to the affected areas and leave it on overnight. While these remedies are natural, it's essential to do a patch test before applying anything to your face, as everyone's skin reacts differently. If you experience any discomfort or adverse reactions, discontinue use immediately. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to home remedies, so stick with it and monitor your progress. And of course, while these remedies can help, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If your melasma persists or worsens, be sure to consult with a dermatologist. Now, let's switch gears and talk about foods. What you consume can significantly impact your skin health, including conditions like melasma. You see, our bodies are complex systems, and the food we eat plays a vital role in maintaining balance. This balance is not just about our overall health, but it extends to our skin too. As part of a comprehensive approach to managing melasma, a diet rich in specific nutrients can be incredibly beneficial. Firstly, foods rich in antioxidants are your best friend. These include berries, dark chocolate, pecans, and even green tea. Antioxidants fight free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage the skin. They also help in reducing inflammation and can help lighten hyperpigmentation, like that seen in melasma. Next up, foods high in omega-3 fatty acids such as fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s help maintain the skin's barrier, keeping it hydrated and glowing. They also reduce inflammation, which can play a role in the development of melasma. And let's not forget vitamins, especially A, C, and E. Vitamin A can be found in foods like carrots and sweet potatoes. It promotes skin health and can help with cell regeneration. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and bell peppers, aids in collagen production and can help lighten dark spots. Vitamin E, present in foods like almonds and spinach, protects the skin from sun damage, a significant trigger for melasma. While incorporating these beneficial foods, it's equally important to avoid certain items. Foods high in sugar and processed foods can cause inflammation and hormonal imbalances, leading to skin issues. So try to minimize your intake of these. Remember, it's not about a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change that takes time, but the results are worth it. As the saying goes, you are what you eat. So make these dietary changes and see the difference it makes to your skin. That wraps up our exploration of home remedies and foods for melasma. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. It's a journey to understand and to find what works best for your skin, your body, your lifestyle. We've journeyed through a fascinating array of home remedies, from the antioxidant power of turmeric, the natural bleaching properties of lemon juice, to the skin-nourishing benefits of almond oil. Each of these remedies carries its own unique potential to help alleviate the symptoms of melasma, and they're all right there in your kitchen. We also stepped into the world of foods that can aid in combating melasma. The power of antioxidants in berries, the skin protective properties of tomatoes, the nutrient-rich benefits of leafy greens, and the importance of staying hydrated for healthy skin. It's all about nourishing your body from the inside out. But remember, while these remedies and foods can help, they aren't a guaranteed fix. Everyone's melasma journey is unique. Your skin might respond differently to different treatments, and that's okay. It's important to listen to your body to observe how your skin responds and adjust accordingly. If you try these remedies and your condition doesn't improve, or if it worsens, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. They can provide you with the guidance and treatment options tailored to your specific needs. Your health is your wealth, and it's essential to take care of it. So why not give these remedies and foods a try? You might just find the solution that works for you in your journey towards healthier, more vibrant skin. If you found this information helpful, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to the VitalGlow Life channel. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health and vitality.